Today we'll be installing the slim rear storage box. This is a pretty simple installation and could take up to 1 hour to install. Begin by unpacking all of the contents of the boxes and laying them out so that you have easy access to all the items needed for the installation, and print out the installation guide if you need it. First, dry fit the box onto your mounting surface and figure out where you want it to sit. If you prefer to measure, just keep in mind the mounting holes on the box are 11 inches apart side to side and 18 inches apart top to bottom. If you're using a different product than the FVC rear door platform, go ahead and mark the back of the box to match your mounting points, then drill out 4 3/8-inch holes. Next, open the top door of the box to access the upper mounting holes. Grab your flange screws and sealing washers and install them into the top holes. Now, with a little help, lift the box into position, aligning the top holes with the hardware. Reach around the platform and attach the flat washers to the bolts, then loosely thread on the lock nuts to hold everything in place. Now, open the lower door, release the downstay rod from the rail, and insert the remaining screws and sealing washers. The washers and lock nuts go on the back side of the platform. Double-check the position of the box on the platform, then tighten everything down to 20 foot-pounds. And don't forget to install the included sealing plugs into the drain holes at the bottom of the box tray. For any fine-tuning, refer to the instruction manual on how to adjust the compression and reach of your door hinges and latches. Everything's customizable to fit your preferences. The shelf inside the box is also adjustable with a 3/8-inch socket. And that's it. If you run into any questions or unique fitment issues during the install, don't hesitate to reach out to our product support team. Thanks for watching.